Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix messenger notification not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, go back to home screen and enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb and turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on Play Store app, click on this profile icon and click on manage apps and device and click on update. After click on update, so if you want to update messenger app, so scroll down and search messenger from here. For example, this is messenger. Click on update and you will see messenger app is update. After update messenger app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search messenger app from here. So click on messenger app, click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After clear cache messenger app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix messenger notification not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.